or my camera keeps shutting off. I don't even know if I filmed everything before, but these are the ones that I found for motion, and this was my image with a lid, and these are also magazine images, and now I'm looking for something associated with water. I have a lot of backgrounds that have water in them, so I'm going to check for that, and then I'm going to figure out how I can incorporate my old phone number in there, because I remember my phone number from when I was a kid, and you know, I'm almost 66, so that was a long time ago. And then the bonus is washi tape, and I do have lots of washi tape. So let me go get that background. Alright, so I'm going to use this as my background. This is a couple on vacation at a Airbnb. And the something with the lid, I feel like this is just too big for this spread, so I'm not going to use that. But I did find a bottle of whatever this is, and this box of chocolates. Actually, that's not even going to be on the thing. This is going to have to be on the ground, I guess. They both would have a lid. I mean, we can assume that this box had a lid before it was opened. So let's do this and get this down, our background down. Let's see. I want to make sure I'm getting it not too small, right? So I think a little bit bigger. I can always trim off some if I have to. But there's that. So let's get that trimmed off and glued down. And it looks like maybe the sun might be coming out, so that's nice. I want to be able to sit outside a little bit longer. We'll have to see if that wish comes true. And now for this, let's just figure out, like I said, I can always cut it off a little bit if it's too big, too long, or too wide. So we'll do that. And yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with my camera. It's weird. Alright, so this is going down. I'm just going to go ahead and glue down my background. Just like, this has got a big glob on it. I don't want the glob getting on my other pages. Okay, so let's do this now. Get out. So I am definitely covering up all of this one. I almost feel like, why don't I just use blank papers? So, because I feel like I'm going through the trouble of coffee dyeing, but then I cover them up. So there's that. Actually, that's pretty darn good. It's a little bit off, but we can cut off extra. And now these guys are going down. Right? We gotta figure out where we have room for this stuff, though. I guess these are gonna have to go right behind her arm like this, so they will go down next. I could put them up here. Then it looks like they're too big for the chair, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue these down right here in the front. There. And now the lovely couple. I always thought I had to, oh, I ripped the lovely couple. You know, make everything be, like, this is more like a glue book style collage. And we got to get him all the way to the edge. You know, using magazine images. So, my, oh dear. Come on, honey. Let's get you down. Oh, boy. I don't think I did that quite right. Let's see. I've got to get her down, and then I'll put her skirt on, I guess. She's wearing a skirt. Okay, needs more glue. I don't know. I always felt like my collages should be more vintagey-ish, but I like this. You know, more vintagey-ish, like, let's see. In this one, I've got this. Like, that's what I think of when I think of these assignments, that it should look more like these. But it doesn't have to. It can be anything you want it to be. And so there it is. And let's see if we have everything. Person in motion. Something with a lid or cover. These bottle and box. An image from a magazine, which is everything. Something associated with water is the pool. Oh, my phone number and the washi tape. Washi tape I don't have to actually put on there. Since they're at a B&B, Airbnb, why don't I like make a sign in the tree? To rent, call. That's kind of tacky, but I think I'm going to do it anyway. Oh, let's write it first. Okay, to rent. Call 201 694 7. Oh, I put 2 7 5. Oh, I need to do that again because I made I made a mistake. We'll use this one. That's too big though. 2. Let's see. I got more. Probably all the ones that are the right size are missing. What did I use? That little skinny one. Yep, all the little skinny ones are gone. Here's one. To rent. Call 201 694 7251. That was my childhood phone number. And that's going to go up in the tree. And then when people want to rent this out, all they have to do is look at the sign and call the number. So there we go. They're having a blast at their Airbnb and with their wine and their chocolate, dancing on the deck. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. I may have said that already. I don't know, with all these starts and stops I've had with my camera. I do need to write the number down, which was 43. But where? Maybe right down here. 43. Okay, we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.